Learning a new language can be incredibly rewarding, and mastering English can open the door to a variety of opportunities. Improving your English speaking skills is an essential step. There are so many methods to improve your English speaking skills. This video is sponsored by Cudy. Cudy is Asia's largest platform for students, tutors, and coaches to match up for lessons. Sign up at Cudy today. Number 1. Listen to English podcasts. Listening to some English podcasts can help you easily learn to speak English. Podcasts are a great way to get a lot of listening practice, as you can find a wide variety of topics to listen to. Number 2. Watch English movies. Watching English movies is a great way to improve your English speaking skills. Watching movies will help you understand the language better and pick up on common phrases in English conversation that you may not know. Number 3. Read English books. Reading English books is one of the most powerful tools to improve your speaking skills. By reading books written in English, you can not only build your vocabulary and grammatical knowledge. Number 4. Participate in online English speaking groups. Participating in online English speaking groups is a great way to practice your English speaking skills. You can join groups that are dedicated to topics you're interested in, such as movies, sports, or travel. Number 5. Have conversations with native English speakers. One of the best ways to improve your English speaking skills is to have conversations with native English speakers. This will allow you to experience different accents and get used to the nuances of English. Number 6. Take an online English course. One of the best tips for improving your English speaking skills is to take an online English course. There are a variety of courses available, from beginner to advanced level, that focus on helping you improve your English grammar and comprehension. Number 7. Practice pronouncing English words out loud. One of the most important tips on how to improve your English speaking skills is to practice pronouncing words out loud. By reading and saying words out loud, you will get to know the correct pronunciation of words and learn how to use them in sentences. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe to Cudy to stay up to date with all the latest videos, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching.